Hey guys, welcome back to the coding part of this video. Today, we'll be predicting whether the shape is a square or a triangle based on its color, means red, green, or blue, outline, which is gonna be smooth or rough, and the presence of the circle inside it, means yes or no. So after completing this activity, we will have a good understanding of the KNN classification model. So let's get started. First of all, we'll import the pandas library. We're going to make the computer read the data set and store it in a variable called dataset. So now we're going to do the dataset inspection, means the exploratory data analysis. So print dataset.column. This is for the information of all columns. To- So if there are any missing values, how many missing values? To print the height and dimension, to print the top 5 rows, and to look deeper into shape, means the value counts. And this is our data set. Now we're going to import another library. From sklearn, import preprocessing. In preprocessing, there is label encoder, and label encoder converts the textual data into the numerical data. And we're going to store the label encoder into the LE. So we're going to encode color, outline, circle inside shape, and shape. Now we're going to predict this all, and we're going to combine the outputs, and this is our answer. Now we're going to import the library. From sklearn.neighbors, import the k neighbors classifier. This is the library that is we are going to use. So we're going to load the k and n. So we're going to store it in a variable called model, which is going to be k neighbors classifier, and the k n neighbors will be 3. Then we're going to train the model using fit and features label. Now we're going to predict the output using predicted, a new variable. So predicted is going to be equal to model.predict 0 to 0. So out of these, one of these values has to come, and we're going to be predicted. And 0 is our final output. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you understood it. If there's any doubts or questions, do write that in the comments. I will try my best to answer. And bye. I'll see you next time.